Itachi Uchiha is one of Naruto's strongest characters, but we never got to see him at true power in the anime, but we have enough outside information to prove how strong healthy Itachi was. Itachi Book of Daylight confirms that 10-year-old Itachi was stronger than most of Konoha Jonin, which included Kakashi at the time. Naruto Databook 4 reveals that Itachi mastered 3 changes in chakra nature: water release, wind release, and fire release. By age 14, a year after the Uchiha massacre, he one-shot Orochimaru despite him being a legendary Sannin. While on his deathbed, Itachi could have killed Sasuke during the battle, despite the curse mark amp and Sasuke having absorbed Orochimaru's chakra. As an Edo Tensei, who wasn't even brought back at full power, he kept up with the speed of the same KCM Naruto who blitzed the 4th Raikage. He easily destroyed Edo Nagato and was able to deflect the Susanoo arm of an enraged EMS Sasuke. Itachi's Tsukiyomi can also kill someone in under a confirmed picosecond, proven by his killing of Izumi Uchiha and one of Fugaku's aides. On top of that, his hand seal speed is faster than the Sharingan can track.